I want to thank everyone for coming to this event, and we're very excited to share the transformational investments we're making and actively working on every day here. Customers, state and county officials, board members, retirees, vendors, friends. Today, we have 284 here, 49 in Rosedale, our steel tin plant, 34 in Fort Madison, Iowa, 32 in Vandalia, and 23 in Conneaut, Ohio, totaling 423 employees. So we're really proud of that. We are here to share our commitment to being the best specialty can maker in North America and for many decades to come. In 2002, the growth of our printing business, along with technological changes, allowed the purchase of our first 6-color continuous grip MetalStar 2 printing line, which was the first 6-color in North America. Today, we'll be commissioning a 9-color line, the first in this hemisphere. Truly, it's about people coming together and working respectfully to solve problems and serving consumer needs and wants. Today, we are here not just to commission the 9-color printing line. We're also here to announce our commitment to manufacturing 4.0.
On behalf of the Harford County Council, we'd like to present you with this proclamation and thank you for what you do. You know, you're a great partner in the community. And it's always good to see businesses grow and expand. That's always a good thing. And just wish you, may God bless you and good success in all you do in the future. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much.
On behalf of the Governor of the great state of Maryland and the Secretary of Commerce, I am presenting to Rick here this citation to the Independent Can Company and all of the loyal employees. Be it known that on behalf of the citizens of the great state of Maryland, in celebration of the expansion of your Harford County facility and the commissioning of the brand new MetalStar 3 printing line, we are pleased to confer upon you this Secretary citation, then it's signed and all that. Let's give a round of applause for the youth staff.
Really focus on things that the major can companies don't do or shouldn't be doing any longer, and it's about building brand for customers. So we want printed, branded product that really we can help enhance that brand across through consumers.
3, 2, 1.